Okay.
Can you turn your camera?
Good evening.
Okay, okay. Can you turn your camera?
Just wait. I'm visible right now. I'm
Yes,
visible.
yes, yes. So, how are you?
Okay. I'm fine. Good evening, brother.
Yes, very good evening. Okay, let's start our introductions. So,
Okay.
basically,
Actually, yeah, actually, nowadays, like you are so many time text me, but that I'm not able to conversation like
okay,
having
it's okay.
conversation. So sorry for that. Sorry for that. Let's start the introduction. My name is Lucky Ali. I belong to Uttar Pradesh, but I currently living in Gurugram, Haryana, and I am working person right now. And if I talk about my qualification, I have done graduation 2012 from Gorakhpur University. That's all about me. And now it's your turn.
Okay, okay, that's great. Basically, I'm from Bihar state. I'm a primary teacher as well as I'm running YouTube channel that I have been uploading every day conversational video for the student so they can get my video and improve their communication skills at home. So it's all
Yeah.
about me. Yes. Okay.
Oh, how about your Holi? Today is Holi, so happy Holi. Uh,
Yeah,
and
yeah. Happy.
how about your Holi going on?
Yeah, yeah. My Holi is going on well. I participate today with my family and I enjoyed so much. And today is very special day for all the citizens, you can say. So yeah, that day is very
Yeah, right,
special
right.
for.
Yeah, right, right. Every religious like Hindu that very most important festival or Holi, and they have a separate celebrate a whole family member. I like very much, and I think Holi is the very most festival of Hindu. I think, yeah, great. So I let me like so I come to the point like you are teacher and you are from Bihar, and Bihar also like famous of Bhojpuri. I think Bhojpuri along with, and how can decide this journey, spoken journey, and what about your think?
Okay, okay. Let me tell you. Basically, in Bihar state, two languages very famous. You can say the people usually use two kinds of language. The first is Hindi, and second in Bhojpuri language. Okay, but in spite of so many people also obsessive internally to learning English speaking, because if you learn English speaking, so you will get opportunity to connect with the new peoples as well as you can connect out of the Indian person also. So that's why I
Yeah,
got
right.
the before time like I should be learn English language, so I will have some opportunity to connect with the new peoples, and as well as there are lots of sources available in that language. So that was my
Yeah.
intention. That's why I indulged myself in this field to learning this language. Okay.
Yeah, right, right. Sir, yeah, I think you are like a teacher, beginner student, and what is most difficulty uh, teach, especially for village area, villager area? What is your opinion?
Okay, basically there were lots of difficulties are there at the beginning time, but if you have a smartphone, so you can get so many idea of there. Okay, nowadays every people have been indulging self in social media platform, so it's a great platform, you can say. It depends on you, like how have you been using that platform, for what purpose. Okay, if you have the great intention, good intention for learning anything, so you can learn. Okay, by that way. So at that time, I had a phone and I was so passionate watching so many English content on YouTube channel. So I got the idea of teachers. If any people want to learn English from their homes, so they can apply these kinds of idea at home, and then you can improve your spoken. Then I started to
Yeah,
implement that kinds of
yeah,
idea.
right.
Then I come on that level, so still I'm talking with you.
Yeah, right, right. I think who person really motivate you, like and how can what about this got this decision? Oh my God, English is very important, and I speak English. That time, after that time, I get a successful, that gets opportunity, get success. What do you think, brother?
Okay, okay. Let me tell you. Basically, before I think it's been 2 years before when I was teaching at a private school. So there are so many educated teachers also were available, and they all together, used to speak in English language, except me. I was
Yeah, my
having
God.
conversation with all of them in English language. So I just decided I should be also learn this language as soon as possible, and I want to be a familiar to all of them. So that's why I
Yeah, right,
decided.
right. This thing,
Okay,
this thing also motivate you, because every person, every teacher also speak English language, English in English, and you are not speak English. That time your mind also goes to oh my God, I think you I want I'm also speaking English, and after that this conversation is also very good for everyone, and after that you teach, you speak English. That time so many people also motivate you. Oh, so this is very powerful things, brother. Yeah. And
so
I
I have.
think, sir, 1 minute. I think your teacher and your like a teacher family, so many group also, and they have speak English. And yeah, I think they have all together also motivate you, everyone, because leisure area, and I think I seen many people like a teacher. They have so many knowledge. They have so many knowledge, and they have so many educated person, but they have not speak. Reason behind, because English is the language, and English is a language, and they, if English only for come to speaking. If you day by day speaking, you come to easily. But if you not speak, that time you are not is able to speak. So this is very good for everyone, because you are so proudly doing work. I think I really appreciate, brother. I really
Thank you
appreciate.
so much. Thank you so much. So I have a question for you. So how did you
Yeah,
get motivated yourself, and how did you realize you should be also learn English? Because still have you been working now for long? How did you get
yeah.
idea?
Actually, brother, I think I'm born in poor family. I think my child also I very passionate to English language, but they have no environment. I think, and the pressure of family background, they have no idea how to speak and how to learn this language. But I realize after after 1 year, 2 year, and 5 years after, if you able able, that time I will speak very well. So I decided, and I started journey my 2 months before, 2 months before, and so many people also motivate me, because this journey started that time. I connect YouTube channel, and they have so many people also available this room, and they have so many knowledge about English language. They have, and I also come to a blazer area. They have no skill. They have no money. They have no background. But speak. People also speak. So these things also realize. Uh, if you learn this language, I can achieve this anything else. And I think I have job also, and I'm working right now Maruti Suzuki. Maruti Suzuki, you know Maruti Suzuki.
Yeah, yeah, I know that. I know that.
I'm working in Maruti Suzuki, and I have experience 12 years, 12 years experience nowadays. I think
Oh, okay,
I'm
okay.
joined this company 2012. 2012. So I think if I learn this language, I can handle all situation easily. I handle. I can improve my English communication, and I get like a respect who are my beginner, and who are my elder, and who are like age matters. So this is the thing also very motivate me, and I think, and I'm also beginner. I have no idea to how to grammar make a sentence, and how so many things also available, but I don't know idea. But I speak. I can
Yeah,
speak, but
as I consider, there is no requirement of having the good knowledge of related of this matter. In spite of
yeah,
this thing, many people have been talking nowadays, and basically, in this time, you have been getting so many housewives. In spite of settling of their life, they have been indulging self in this field to just communicating with the some peoples.
yeah,
Okay, so
right,
there's
right.
performance of grammar in this field. Okay, so I have a question for you. Like, what is your ambitions of life? May I know?
Actually, I my one ambition. I talk strange, everyone is strange, and I feel like very passion. Feel like very good. I think if I learn this language, I can teach, because I am father of three kids, and I am father of three kids, and I think they have studying in English medium, and they have also asked me so many questions daily basis. So I think this thing also very motivate me, because if you are not able to uh, like a answer, like a question, like answer, that time I feel very hesitation. And my children also like unlike me. So I decided if I learn this language, I can handle my family also, and I teach my children also. They are things also motivate. Yeah,
Of course, your intention on the always help them. Those people have a good intention for especially their family member for grown up their
yeah,
good personality development. You, of course, you must be come to in your journey, but I think only say only one thing: you need to maintain your consistency. Everything will be come to, because there is only the
yeah,
key
right.
of having success in any kinds of field if you maintain your consistency towards your goal. Okay.
Yeah, right.
Okay, sir. So I have to end this session because I have to go, and we will must connect
Okay.
to the next session with the topic.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, okay. Thank you so much to coming to my valuable time to give me, and I hope you understand what I my feeling, and I hope enjoy a lot. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much. We will connect tomorrow.
Okay, thank you so much.